good day guys. So it's me again, DR Motorworks. So try natin i-top speed tong set natin. So matagal-tagal na to. Nung nakaraang video ko is naka-reset ito. So ngayon top speed natin ulit na naka big tire siya. Tapos sprocket niya is 38. Ayan o, 38 15. So try natin i-top speed kung ilan yung makukuha. So siguro itatry natin siyang itatry natin siyang i-GPS para makita natin yung advantage ng speedometer at saka yung GPS. Kasi super dili ng speedometer natin kasi maliit yung sprocket. Yan, so tune by full gas guys. So tara, let's go.